had a customer call me a few minutes ago. He's needing a 6x6 pretty bad out of some white oak. So this is a perfect candidate right here because it's kind of small. Yeah, 13 inches in diameter, pretty small log. All right, guys, let's get going here and finish up. You always want to work around the pith right there in the middle. You never want to have a situation where the pith is way out here. Mother Nature dictates how this tree is going to react and how it's going to dry. Just have a good strategy so you can work around that and exploit its weakness and gain its strength. So that's my tip of the day on this video, guys. I've been seeing that a lot. People with the pith over here on the side. Keep it in the middle. Keep it in the middle.